Guitar Rio TV.
Hi guys, Guitar Rio TV here. So for today, I am going to teach you how to play Sining by Dionella. The basic song lang naman. So mahirap siyang kantahin pero madali lang siyang tugtugin. So I'm going to teach you how to play Sining with capo. Yan, with capo. And also without capo. So sa mga nagsisimula pala mag-gitara, kayang-kaya nyo to. So I recommend to play it with capo. So, madali siya. So, start na tayo. So, first of all, breakdown natin yung song. So, yung song ay meron siyang 5 parts. So, basically, intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and ad-lib. So, ad-lib is yung instrumental. Pare-pares lang naman yung chords nun sa buong kanta. Ano lang naman yun, 5 chords lang. Paulit-ulit lang. Kaya kayang-kaya nyo yan. Let's begin. So, the first chord is D major 7. So, D major 7 or like this. So, kaya na lang kung anong gusto nyong gawin. Kung dito ba or dito. Pero ako masanay ako dito. Ayan, nakaganyan. Okay. And the next chord is B minor 7. Ayan, B minor 7. Or pwede rin ganyan. Ayan, B minor 7. And then we have C sharp minor 7. Or pwede ganito rin. Slide nyo lang yan. Ayan, pili na kayo sa dalawang diagram na yan. Okay. And then we have E minor. Or E minor 7. And then A7. Okay, so again, D major 7, B minor 7, C sharp minor 7, and then E minor, A minor. So, ulit lang siya. Okay? Okay. So, pwedeng, yung easiest way, ano ba? Saan kasi pwedeng ganito eh. Yan. Mas minadalian ako dyan. Kasi slide-slide lang siya. Pero kung nahihirapan naman kayo mag-flat or mag-bar chord, ganyan. So, pwede niyong gawin. Ayan, D major 7, na ganyang version. And then B minor. Then D minor, C sharp minor 7. And then E minor or E minor 7. And then A7. Ayan. So, ganyan yung more on open strings. So, pag medyo advance na kayo at sanay na kayo mag-ipit-ipit ng mga ipit-ipit ng chords dyan, yun na gawin nyo. Yan. Then D minor, then C sharp minor, then E minor, and then A7 or A. So, strumming pattern, wala siyang strumming pattern, actually plucking lang siya. So, ang timing lang ng plucking na gagawin nyo is boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, tap. Hindi mo magbabago sa E minor to A. Parang kalahati lang siya. Bam, 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 bam. Ganun siya. So, parang bam, bam. Last night a flower until day blue. So, ganun lang siya. Okay? So, 5 basic chords. And next naman is aralin natin yung with capo. So, if you have capo, ayan, clip nyo lang siya sa 2nd fret. Yun yung second fret. Ayan. And then, magiging chords natin ay C major 7, C major 7, A minor 7. So, kung nasa C kayo, diba C ganyan. So, ayan. So, yung C major 7 is tanggalin yung finger number 1. And then, to make an A minor or A minor 7 from C, tanggalin nyo lang yung finger number 3. Okay, that's an A minor 7. And then next is B minor, B minor 7. Yung kanina. So, i-apply nyo lang siya dito. And then, D D minor, and then G7 or G. Normal lang kung masanay kayo sa G. So it's either G7 or G. Kayo nang bahala. So again, C major 7, then next is A minor 7, next is B minor 7, and then D minor, G or G7. So yun lang yung chords ng with capo and without capo. Ngayon, tugtugin naman natin.
First, not a flower until they bloom. My first time living life that day I made you. Hate the thing we do, but you have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do for knowing that we're feeling love, even though I'm scared to love. Baby, you know the pain is unbearable. There's no way inside I ache in the mind. Binibining me sa naman ka. You've tried my own legs since you were ikaw ay ilasing sa museyong di nagtutuma. Tinipinig kong ginto hanggang kalutuan. All not get me like from my passion. Oh my gosh. Sa tingin na ang oras may lumipas na. Patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. I still kiss you every single day. Oh my gosh.
And there you have it. Sana madami kayo natutunan sa ating tutorial ng Singing by Dionela. Please like, comment, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para sa more videos and more tutorials na darating. So see you soon and see you again on our next video.